Adding documents to the employee workspace. This video shows how to add documents as employee, as manager, and as HR administrator. Let's get started with adding a document as employee and as manager. Sign in as employee. On your landing page, find the Employee Workspace widget and click your workspace link. In your workspace, find the Document Self-Service widget. Click Upload Documents. Select your document from the local file system and click Open. Enter a ticket subject or leave the document name, and select a document type. Optionally, enter a comment. To submit the document, click Upload. If configured for certain document types, a ticket is created upon uploading, which shows up in the inbox of your HR administrator. The HR administrator must then process the ticket and finally assign the document to your employee workspace. As manager, you can add documents for an employee of your team, access the workspace of your employee and find the Document Self-Service widget. Click Upload and follow the upload dialog. Also in this case, a ticket is created if required for the relevant document type. Adding documents as HR administrator. Sign in as HR administrator. Access the workspace of your employee. Click the Documents tab and click Upload Document. Select a document type and enter a date of origin. Optionally, enter a comment. To add the document to the workspace, click Upload. In this case, no ticket is created and the document is directly assigned to the workspace. Thank you for watching.